Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where we bring you the finest rides that have shaped the roads and hearts of enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the legacy of one of the most iconic names in luxury sedans, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. For decades, the E-Class has stood as a symbol of elegance, engineering precision, and everyday luxury. Whether you're cruising through the city or eating up highway miles, the E-Class has always been about balance, blending performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology into a single seamless experience. Let's rewind to where it all began. Although the E-Class name officially appeared in 1993, its roots go back much further, to the post-war Mercedes-Benz models like the W120 Ponton from the 1950s and the W114/W115-8 of the 60s and 70s. These were the cars that laid the foundation for what the E-Class would become: a reliable, luxurious, and built to last. With each generation, the E-Class refined itself further, becoming smarter, more comfortable, and more powerful. The E-Class is often seen as the heart of the Mercedes-Benz lineup, not quite as flamboyant as the S-Class, but far more premium than the C-Class. It hits that sweet spot, mature, poised, and confident. In terms of design, the E-Class has always stayed classy. Sharp lines, understated chrome accents, and that unmistakable front grille with the three-pointed star ray. It's a car that turns heads without shouting for attention. Under the hood, the E-Class has evolved with time, from smooth inline sixes and V8s to modern turbocharged engines and plug-in hybrids. Mercedes has ensured that the E-Class moves with the times. But it's not just about power, it's how the E-Class delivers it. The ride is buttery smooth, the handling precise, and the cabin, that's where the E-Class really shows off. Step inside, and you're greeted by one of the most refined interiors in the business. Leather, wood, ambient lighting, and the signature Mercedes-Benz dual-screen layout create an atmosphere of high-tech serenity. The seats are like armchairs. The Burmester sound system fills the cabin with rich, detailed audio, and the latest Bucks infotainment system is responsive, smart, and even learns your habits. Safety has always been a top priority for the E-Class. With each generation, Mercedes introduces new features to keep you and your passengers secure. From adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist to automatic emergency braking and attention assist, the E-Class is like a guardian angel on four wheels. But perhaps the most impressive thing about the E-Class is its consistency. Through economic ups and downs, design overhauls, and technological leaps, the E-Class has remained true to its core philosophy, to offer a premium driving experience that doesn't compromise on comfort or innovation. Whether you're a business executive, a long-distance commuter, or just someone who appreciates automotive excellence, the E-Class offers something for everyone. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a legacy, and for many, a lifelong companion on the road. Thanks for tuning into Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed this ride through the world of the E-Class, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your favorite Mercedes moment. Until next time, keep rolling.